Introducing BingX Futures Martingale strategy. A smart trading approach that automatically doubles your position size after every dip. The goal? To recover previous losses and secure profit with your next win. On the app homepage, go to Bots and select Martingale DCA. Pick a trading pair, set your leverage, and choose a trading direction. Enter your profit target and total investment. Set your entry price, price step, amount multiplier, and max additions per round. Check the box to auto-loop. Review your strategy and get clear profit projections, a feature unique to BingX. Finally, tap Create. From there, easily track your strategy's progress and make adjustments as needed. The Martingale strategy is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It works well in range-bound markets. Even if you have losses, a small price reversal can quickly turn things around. But in trending markets, losses can add up fast, making recovery much harder. Turn setbacks into comebacks with BingX Futures Martingale strategy.